In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to get Shopify promo codes. So let's get started. So Shopify is an online website where people can build stores and sell their products. So let's say you're interested in starting a business and you want to sell your own product. You can always make a Shopify store by using Shopify, and you can make a website which works like a store. So in this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to get a discount while purchasing Shopify, because Shopify is a paid software and to make websites on it, you need to pay. So I'm gonna show you guys on how to get a discount. So let's get started. Alright, so first of all, you're gonna write Shopify promo code on your web browser. You're gonna scroll down until you see this website coupon follow. Then you're gonna click on it, and then you'll see this code score 75% off. Shopify code. So you're gonna get 75% off. So I'm gonna click on it. That's the code right there. So you can save up to 75% with this promo code. So you can copy it and then go and proceed with your purchase of Shopify. Well, you can go and have a look at all of these promo codes, and let me show you. If these don't work, you can always go to some other website. So let's say this website, Los Angeles Times. So I'm gonna go on this website. So basic is only $29 a month. So usually it's higher than this, but this one only gives you for $29. Then you can view offer. Okay, so this one doesn't require a code because this offer is by Shopify itself. So you can directly visit Shopify and get the discount. So as you guys can see, these all are offers. You don't need code for them. And yeah, you can always go to other websites and see which ones can give you the discount, and you can always save a lot of money. So alright guys, that'll be for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.